California, and congratulations on the movie. This is for Kim. Given the chance, what are your current life aspirations after fulfilling all your heart's desires, seeing your family thrive, and achieving financial security? What more do you desire from yourself at this point?
I'm very lucky to be in this lifetime na parang hindi man naging okay yung childhood ko, pero parang naging tama naman siya. Hindi ko magkaiyakan pa tayo dito. Naging okay naman siya along the way. Through hard work, through tapang ng sarili, kung kakayanin o hindi, through ABS-CBN na rin. My heart, and yun, yung support na ng pamilya ko, tapos sobrang okay naman na sila lahat ngayon. As a proud parent, di pala parent, sister, I'm very happy sa naging ng mga kapatid ko. Ngayon, sana ako naman. Wow! Gusto ko yung palakpak ni Tita. Gusto ko tumira na rin dito sa Amerika. Tumira ng ang heart's desire ko lang talaga as of this moment ay maging successful yung My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kasi ang dami talagang napagdaanan ng movie na to and pinaghandaan talaga namin mabuti. And then nagkaroon pa kami ng bagong blessing na naka-release siya worldwide in 34 countries and counting. So, sobrang ang laki ng movie. Ang wish ko lang talaga ay maging successful to. Marami yung makapanood, hindi man sa, ay, mga Pilipino and hindi Pilipino. So, nakaka-proud. Yun lang talaga yung desire ko, Lord, please, give it to us. Wow, give it to us! Give it to us!
Alright, Rosal, you have one more question from Paolo.
After patiently waiting for 15 years to work with Kim Chiu, what were your expectations and how did your professional relationship begin?
15 years. Yep. When I first transferred to ABS-CBN, I immediately, actually hindi ko na naalala yung interview na yun, pero given how I was thinking then, Kim was very bubbly and she's so pleasant to watch on TV, so I wanted to work with her. But so many things happened along the way, and again, bigyan na rin ng pagkakataon sa wakas during Linlang, when we were looking for the cast for Juliana. So maraming na-consider. Medyo nagulat rin ako nung lumabas yung name ni Kim. Dinako agad sa producers namin and director. Nabasa na ba ni Kim yung script? Kasi kaya niya ba? Sabi ko.
Nagdudahan mo ba ako?
Hindi kasi medyo mainit yung mga eksena. But ayun nga, kaya naman daw ni Kim. So I was excited. I always see Kim sa mga ASAP shows and stuff, but we never got to really mingle together. Dahil hindi rin naman ako nagsasalita, hindi rin naman ako nakikihalubilo masyado. Pero I'm happy and glad, and now that I got to work with her, parang mas na-appreciate ko si Kim dahil medyo pareho kami ng work ethics. Mabilis akong kumilos pagdating sa trabaho. Gusto ko maayos lahat, very organized. Parang yun rin yung nakita ko kay Kim. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga artista minsan, di ba? Parang babagad kumilos, kumilos pa, nag-retouch pa, nag-bilis pa.
Sino yan? To the boss.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na negative, pero mahirap talaga mga artista dahil ang daming kinukuha na eksena sa isang araw. At syempre, in-betweens yung kailangan. But, ayun, natuwa ako na maganda yung work ethics ni Kim. So, nung dumating yung mga pagkakataon na nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon mag-work ulit after Lin lang, parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na mag-yes sa mga project.
Sa rom-com.
Actually, ikaw nagpilit ni Kim yun.
So are you saying that she convinced you to do this movie?
Kind of.
That's beautiful. Okay, so we have
I mean, not this movie, but the project before this.
So we have one last question, if that's okay with you guys.